How to patch a damaged commercial inflatable with a vinyl cement repair kit. You will need the following tools: cleaning solution, a rag, vinyl material, HH66 vinyl cement, pencil, and scissors. To begin, clean around the area that is torn. Find the matching material and cut a patch to fit over the damaged area with an extra 2 to 3 inches larger on all sides. Trim the corners of the patch so that they're rounded. Using your patch, mark the inflatable with a pencil so you'll know where to apply the vinyl cement. Now, apply an even coat of vinyl cement on the patch and the inflatable. Allow the vinyl cement to dry for about 2 to 5 minutes. Once the vinyl cement feels dry to the touch, your patch is ready to be applied. Apply patch to the inflatable. Press down firmly to ensure there are no air bubbles. The bond strength increases with time as the vinyl cement sets.